Happy evening, all. I'm so much excited to welcome you all for this virtual Next to Read program launch that is happening right now in Zoom meeting by Kachal Academy, an online activity center. Once again, I welcome smart parents, colorful kids, lovable facilitators, and the special guest, Ms. Kirba Manonmani, for this virtual program launched by Kachal Academy. Thank you. I'm Lavanya S. Yuvraj, founder of Kachal Academy. Gokila Valinayagam, facilitator of Kachal Academy. Over to you.
Thank you, Lavanya. Congratulations for this launch. Good morning, ma'am. On behalf of Kachal Academy, I am extremely honored and feel privileged to welcome our chief guest, Ms. Kriba Manonmani, who is a PT assistant from Government High Secondary School, Kinathakadavu. She is working towards connecting young minds to strive towards success and achievement. She was an English teacher for 10 years in SG and HSS. She worked as an educator from 2006 to 2008 in Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan Education Department also. She worked as a district coordinator from 2008 to 2011 in Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan for differently abled children. She has molded the life of students and served people with her kindness. It's so happy to welcome you to our launch program, ma'am. Over to you. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you for your kind words. I'm very happy to be a part of this venture. And that too, I feel very proud that I feel proud to say that Lavanya is my student. In her school days, she used to participate in all her fancy dress competition right from first till the end. But she being such an achiever, it's overwhelming for me to see her in such a position. And running this Kachal Academy, wow. Hats off to you and your team, Lavanya. Thank you. And right now, when I'm coming to talk about reading, so we have 4 skills in reading in English: LSRW, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. So first, when the child when it is born, after certain months, it first listens what the parents say. Then after listening to it, then only she starts speaking. After speaking, then comes our reading. Now, the child doesn't go straight to writing. After listening, what she listens, she speaks, and then comes our reading. So reading plays a vital role in the people's life. All the children should have a habit of reading. Reading is the way out of ignorance, and it is a path to achievement, actually. Reading is a must. We should read. How much ever we read, we'll gain more and more and more knowledge. The books we read should be so, what to say, if now we are talking about children, the children should like the book what they read. The parents should make reading so lively that the child is very happy with what she reads. And at times when we see the children, they like to read some books again and again and again. When they read again and again, don't discourage them, encourage them, because they love that story. And each and every time when we read anything, what happens? Again and again, we gain some knowledge in that reading. For example, just take me. When I read a book, I come to learn, I get some knowledge. After once again, after 1 hour, week, 2 weeks, same book when I read, I get some more idea from the book. So in the same way, when the child reads more and more, it gains more and more knowledge. It comes to know more and more. So allow your child to read more and more books. Apart from that, bedtime reading, it's very good. So the child love reading bedtime stories. When we start reading in the bedtime, then when they go to bed, when we start reading some books to them, they feel very happy. And some children hearing the story, or when they read, they feel drowsy. That makes they feel sleepy. So to help your child understand real importance of reading, start reading bedtime stories, stories from an early age. Every child should know what has been happened in the past. Now, because they are in the modern world, everybody is knowing only about the gadgets, electronical gadgets. And even some parents, they do not encourage reading. Sorry to say this, because most of the parents allow their children to play video games or watch TV programs or watch everything through online. So please, a kind request to the parents, please try to avoid online or playing video games. At that time, you can make the child to read a book, to make the child to read some stories. And when a child starts, for example, at the age of 3 or 4, if the book which they read is full of pictures and the words are bold letters, the child loves to read more and more. It thinks that reading, see what kind of pictures are there, lovely. See, after sometimes, without the words down, they start saying their own story using the pictures. So this is inculcated because of learning, reading only. When they read and read and read, their knowledge develops. Even if you see, take the great leaders like Annadurai and all, even before his deathbed, he told he was going for an operation. He said, "Sir, doctor, give me some time. This is my last few pages of this book. I'll finish that book and I'll come for the operation." So that man, he's become a great person. So reading is, everybody is thinking reading is not so important in a part of language. Reading is very, very important. When we start reading, first we start reading, then only we start writing. Every child, for example, when it goes through the phonetic languages, when it sees the phonetic socks and all, seeing the letters in the phonetics, it starts learning what the letters are, A, B, and the sounds, B, K, G, everything it starts learning. So after that, when the child goes out, automatically what happens, when the child sees a board on the, because I have seen this, a child, when it sees the board somewhere, it says, "Mummy, see there, A, D, E," he recognizes the words. So this is one of the ways how they start reading. Not only by seeing the boards, even they start reading big posters and all, they start saying the letters. So this inculcates what we teach the children, what we parents do. We should encourage children to read. Nowadays, reading, no one is very, I feel bad to say, as a school teacher, I would like to highlight this. Most of the children do not like to read. They just mug what they want and they just vomit it. No, I want whoever is a part of this Cultural Academy, please pay attention to reading more. Reading plays a vital role in our life. And one more thing, instead of forcing your little ones to read what you like, encourage them what they want to read. So you don't give a book, read this story. No, see what the child likes to read. When he goes out, he would be seeing, if he goes for a bookshop, he would be liking with some story books with big pictures. But you will say, "No, don't take this. You take this book." Don't do that. Whatever the child likes, we should encourage it. Our little ones should be encouraged first by us. Then only others will encourage. So we are the first motivators for the children. We should motivate the children how to read, when to read, what to read. That is also very important. What to read is very, very important. So in this age between 3 and all, it's no problem. After that and all, when it grows up, he doesn't know what he is reading. Sometimes he reads things which is not necessary. So we should teach them, this is necessary. This is what you have to read. This is what you have to do. If we do that, our child will go somewhere. He will reach some peaks. I have seen many people like this. As a lively example, I have seen one of my students. He's doing his IAS, and he's going very shortly. He's going to become a collector. He reads more and more and more. This is an example. The people who read more and more, they gain more and more knowledge, and they go up and up in their life. And if the child doesn't like reading for some size sort of stories, don't leave the child. Don't force the child. See what it likes, what it wants to read. Make them to read that. First, let the letters be bold. When the child starts reading, if the letters are big, it finds it easy. After little by little, we can make the reading with like a big story. One first, like a big picture, small sentences. Then little by little, we can encourage them. So reading must be very, very important. And I advise parents, please give some specific time for reading. At least 10 minutes at the starting stage, 10 minutes daily. You read something, whatever you like. And little when we encourage this, what happens? The child automatically, when it grows up and up, it starts reading more and more and more. It develops the attitude of reading more and more, and the child starts liking reading more and more. We would have learned practice makes a man perfect. We have heard practice makes a man perfect. Reading makes a man knowledgeable. So reading makes a man knowledgeable, wise, and reading makes, what to say, it is the lamp which removes the light of ignorance. Reading makes a person to remove the light of ignorance, darkness of ignorance. So I would like to advise again, please make your child read at least one page, one paragraph daily. Make to read one paragraph. So rereading, I said, when the child likes to read again and again, don't avoid it. Rereading not only helps, but also lets to master the story. It helps to master the story. So again and again, when you start asking the child what he has read, in every time it will start saying one method of saying the story. So this is also one of the ways to inculcate reading in the child. So I'm very happy to be a part of this venture, to launch this program. Thank you so much, Lavanya, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you. Let's go on to the
Ma'am, we'll move to the reading, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I start?
Yes, ma'am.
So, this is a story about a small boy and a mother. I want that one. So, what the child wants, let us see in this story. It was a holiday for Amma. She was reading a book. Anil had a holiday too. He wanted to do something. Amma, I want to see what is in that blue box, said Anil. Mom, Amma saying. Later, Anil, said Amma. But Anil didn't listen to his mother. What he does, Anil put a stool over a chair. He climbed up to get the box down. No, not that one. All the boxes on top of that will fall on your head, Anil, said Amma. So she says, if you remove the box, everything will fall on your head. So don't remove the box which is at the bottom. Anil was very angry. He was angry with his mother. Normally, when the child, when he asks something, when we don't give them, they get angry. The same way, Anil also is getting angry, and he is angry with his mother because he was unable to take that box. Come, let's go to the market and get you something, said Amma. So, in order to divert him, his mother is taking him to the market. Anil was very angry even after they went to the market. Then also his angriness has not suppressed. He's still angry. I want that one, he said, pointing at an orange. No, not that one. The fruits all will fall down, said the shopkeeper. So in the fruit shop, he's pointing out for one orange. The shopkeeper is saying, if you take that orange, all the other fruits will fall down. Again, he goes to a bookshop. I want that book, said Anil. No, no, not that one, said the shopkeeper. Take this one. See, again, you see, Anil is pointing the book which is at the bottom. He's not asking for the book which is in the top. So if we remove the book, everything will fall down. I want that one, shouted Anil, almost putting out a samosa from a high stake of samosas. So when you see this picture itself, you can see that it is a sweet shop. So savories and sweets are there. The stake of samosas there. He's asking the samosa which is at the bottom. So he's telling, no, no, not that one. Warned the shopkeeper. All my samosas will fall to the ground. So if you take one samosa, everything will fall to the ground and get spoiled. I want that one, said Anil loudly. He was now in a very, very bad mood. So he has not got anything. So he's now very angry. And he's saying, I want that one. No, no, not that one, said the flower seller. Don't touch them. They will wilt. So if you touch them, they will become dry. So don't do that. By now, Anil was crying loudly. Everyone was looking at Anil. So he started crying. In that market, everyone started to look at Anil. I want that one, the black one, said Amma loudly. So now the turn is on Amma. Amma saying, oh, I want that one, the black one. Anil stopped crying suddenly. So all this while he was saying, I want that one, I want that one. Now he stopped and his mother started shouting. So his cry, what happened? He kept silent and he was staring at his mother. Amma, no, no, not that one, said Anil. Now Anil plays the role of all the shopkeepers. He says, no, don't touch, don't ask for that one. Let's take this brown one, said Anil. Then Anil gently lifted the brown puppy on top of a pile of puppies. So on the top, one puppy was there, he took it. Amma, I was very angry with you. All the puppies would have fallen down. Amma smiled. Anil was smiling too. He was not angry at all now. So now he's telling to his mother, I will be angry if you ask for the puppy which is down. Now he understood what he had asked for and what his mother has asked for. And so his mother had made him to realize what he's done is a mistake. So you should do like this. That is the end of the story. Not that one, says Anil's mother when he asks for something. Not that one, says all the shopkeepers in the market too. That makes the little boy very angry indeed. But finally, what his mother asked made him angry. And now both of them were smiling finally. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Now I'm going to tell about the program that is next to read program. ஆங்கிலம் ஒரு வர்த்தக மொழி. அந்த மொழியில் நம் ஆளுமை செலுத்த வேண்டுமானால் அதை தொடர்ந்து பயன்பாட்டுக்குள்ளாவதே சிறந்த வழி. நெக்ஸ்ட் டு ரீட் ப்ரோக்ராம் அதை மிகச் சிறப்பான முறையில் செய்திருக்கிறது. இந்த பயிற்சி வாரம் ஒரு முறை சனிக்கிழமை அல்லது ஞாயிற்றுக்கிழமை 40 நிமிடங்கள் கொடுக்கப்படுகிறது. இந்த பயிற்சியின் போது வாய்விட்டு உச்சரிக்க ஏதுவாக கதை மற்றும் ஆங்கில மொழி மேம்பாட்டு பயிற்சிகளான சொல்லதிகாரம், விடுகதைகள், நாப்பிரல் பயிற்சிகள், வார்த்தைகள் உருவாக்கம், செய்தித்தாள் வாசிப்பு போன்ற அனைத்தும் குழந்தைகள் விரும்பும்படி வடிவமைக்கப்பட்டுள்ளது. ஒவ்வொரு வாரமும் இந்த பயிற்சி வகுப்பு முடிந்ததும் கற்பிக்கப்பட்ட பாடங்கள் அனைத்தும் PDF ஃபைல்களாக படிப்பதற்கு ஏதுவாக மாணவர்களுக்கு அனுப்பி வைக்கப்படுகிறது. இது ஒரு நல்ல வாசிப்பு பழக்கத்தையும் மொழி மீது ஆர்வத்தையும் குழந்தைகளுக்கு உருவாக்க இருக்கிறது. இதை பயன்படுத்தி பெற்றோர்கள் தங்கள் குழந்தைகளின் மொழி ஆளுமை கொண்டவர்களாக உருவாக்க வாய்ப்பு அளியுங்கள். நன்றி. Yes. Thank you, parents, kids, facilitators, for making this virtual Next to Read program celebration a wonderful one. Thank you, special guest, for this for launching this program. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Gokila ma'am, for this launch. Thank you so much.